Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover here in Stockton. My name's Chris. So we've just had a gorgeous new arrival. So this is a Range Rover Sport SVR. I absolutely love these cars. So if you know about these cars, you'll know that these are an absolute beast. We're talking 575 horsepower from a 5-litre V8 all-wheel drive. You can't really get much more in terms of performance out of a car. So this one is finished in Eiger Grey with the black extended black pack on there. We've got the huge front grills, the lower splitter, we've got a front forward facing camera and front parking sensors, and then coming round the side, look at these. So we've got gloss black 22-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Did I say spoke? I meant spoke, multi-spoke. There we go. So we've got the red calipers with the Land Rover branding on there. We've got more of this gloss black detailing throughout. We've got keyless entry, rear privacy glass. We've got a black contrast roof, and then coming round to the back, again, it's SVR. Let's tell everyone, we've got the big badge, the huge exhausts on there, the lower splitter, so it certainly looks amazing, this car, and it sounds incredible too. In fact, actually, I'm going to do something slightly different. Zoe, our camera person, hold that mic. I'm going to start it up. Let's have a listen to the engine. Sorry, I said let's have a listen to the engine. I'll not do that too much, otherwise I'll get wrong. How good was that? Sorry if you can just hear me fumbling about. So, huge boot on here, loads of space. You can see it's clearly not had a hard life whatsoever. It's in really good condition. We've got air suspension on this as well, actually. Let's give that a raise. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. So it is an approved used car, so it'll go through a 160 point health check, and it'll come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. That's something you only get from a Land Rover main dealer. But look at that interior, isn't it gorgeous? So we've got the ebony and ivory perforated in leather seats, but we've also got, I'm hoping the camera picks this up, some nice little touches of suede cloth on there, which runs around the roof as well, and we've got the SVR embossed badge on there as well. We've got sport style front seats, something that you'd want in a car like this. I'll tell you what, I'll bob around the other side. So let's fire it up. The car's only done 31,140 miles, and it's got full service history as well. Hopefully you can still hear me with the engine running. So we've got Bluetooth, voice control, DAB radio, we've got satellite navigation, we've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and we've also got this little bit of kit. I love this, the Dynamic Eye. So you pop it into the dynamic program. Let's just do that now. So vehicle, and then we can toggle between them. Let's go into that dynamic program selected. There we go. So we can start toggling and having a bit of fun on here. We can change the different settings from your engine to your steering. You can have it firmer, lighter, your suspension softer, harder, your gear shift as well. You can start playing about with that. You've got a G meter on there, so if you're chucking it into a bend, you can see how much pressure you're putting on your poor passengers. We can do lap times as well. This is all stuff that obviously, you know, you're not going to be doing that around Tesco car park, but if you do get the opportunity to do it, it is really good fun. So down here, we've got the wake up the neighbours button. I'm sure Land Rover will have a different name for it, but effectively, when you press that, it opens up the exhaust baffle, isn't it? It gives the neighbours a bit of a fright. So we've got all the different driving modes on there. Obviously, being a Land Rover, I know it's SVR, but it's still got your off-roading modes on there, so you can certainly well, it's a capable car, isn't it? So we've got cameras on here as well. Let's see if we can fire that up. With I think it's because I've got all the doors open, it doesn't like that, so I'll try and cut that into the video later on. So we've got the different toggles for you driving modes. Instead of using the touch screen, you can do it on there as well, and the reason there's two screens is because you can have your passenger playing about with this while you're doing all that, and it still keeps it right. We've got a sliding panoramic roof there. Watch how much light this lets in when you open it up. It's brilliant. Love that. There we go. So, I mean, the car's got all sorts. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. We've got Meridian sound system. 3-stage memory function seats for the driver and the passenger. We've got, I mean, obviously the power, 575 horsepower. It is an absolute beast. I love this car. And again, it's full service history and it's just become available. So if you'd like to know more, there's a fly in my face there, take two. If you'd like to know more about this car, definitely get in touch. You can do that on this website or just give us a call. It's that easy. The number's 01642 644 444.